This 2025 Keystone Retreat 39 HBDL is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 42 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 9 and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front bath, front bedroom, loft, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Keystone Retreat 39 HBDL is 12,740 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.